Oh, what is that? I don't even know what that is. Alright, what does it say? Camp for groundhogs? Alright, I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna knock on the door.
Oh, hey there, mister. Welcome to my cabin.
What did bro even say?
Oh, look, a raven.
Who are you?
Give me your silver egg.
Aw, heck no.
Just give me the egg, bro.
What if I don't want to?
Then you're gonna die.
2 hours later.
You're no match.
Wait.
I'm gonna take your egg now. It's too easy.
Perf. Maybe over here? Hello?
What do you want?
I need a ride.
You'll find one over on that mountain.
Okay, thanks.